get them gloves on. I'm about to season this chicken. I'm actually about to do a mukbang on my channel, so I'm seasoning some chicken legs. Of course, I'm going to use my spicy girl. You want to get it all over your chicken legs, nice and good. You're also going to add some salt because my spice is low in sodium, so you could add salt or no salt at all if you're watching your sodium. Also, I'm going to put on here some lemon zest because I just love that extra pop whenever I make chicken, period, all over. I love my lemon zest. So then you want to, there you go. She's looking nice and pretty on my chicken. You want to mix. Do a little shimmy while you're at it. And, and yeah, this is what you end up with, the end result. Bye, guys.